Hey, so I took the intake off. I mean, there's some oil in there, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna spray it with some brake cleaner. Just kind of clean it out. Clean that out there, this hole there. And turn it over. Do the same thing here. Just clean it out real good. Get a toothbrush in there. Clean these out. Get you better gas mileage. This thing will run like a champ. Just kind of swish it around in there. Real good. Let it sit. Let it sit in there for a little bit. You know? Let it marinate. And you come back to it here in a little bit. Clean it out.